Here we are heading out to destination of Loch Alva Lake, starting at East Branch Reservoir, a spot I've been wanting to get to for quite a while now. We'll see how it goes. Here we are heading up a little access trail between East Branch Reservoir and the Loch Alva Lake. Should have only a couple hundred feet, and then we'll get to see it. Right at the top of the East Branch River of Musquash. Sort of a little unexpected treat behind me, some white water. Be a total nightmare to get a whitewater boat in here, but one can dream. Had a successful little exploration of the shores of Loch Alva Lake. Now we're checking out a couple more little spots and then heading back.